Welcome back. Today, we are going to explore the skies with the speedsters in the sky, the fast and the feathered birds. Thus, be prepared to take flight with us while we will unravel the intriguing world of the swift birds. The first animal is Anna's hummingbird. Anna's hummingbird is a pretty and colorful species of a hummingbird, which is native to the western coast of North America. These hummingbirds can be seen in different habitats on the coast, like the urban areas, gardens. Just as other hummingbirds, Anna's hummingbirds mainly get their food from the nectar that is found in the flowers. Their long, specialized bill and a tongue that is adapted for probing flowers to get nectar are the indicators that they are hummingbirds. Anna's hummingbirds are extraordinary animals that are famous for their quickness. In the average case, Anna's hummingbirds can fly at speeds from 25 to 30 miles per hour. Nevertheless, they have been detected to move for some short time. They have been seen to attain speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. The next animal is the rock dove. The rock dove is a bird that belongs to the species of the rock pigeon or the common pigeon. Initially, they were found in Europe, North Africa, and southwestern Asia, but now they are on every continent in the world. Rock doves are the birds that are very much adaptable to any kind of environment, and to live in the proximity to humans they are more than welcome. They mostly eat seeds, fruits, and leftover food. Rock doves are not as famous for their swiftness as other birds of prey or the migratory birds. Their flying speed is usually from 50 to 60 miles per hour, but they can reach higher speeds when needed. These birds are very fit for the cities, where their flying skills allow them to move around the urban areas in a fast and agile way. The next animal is the Greyheaded Albatross. The Greyheaded Albatross is a prime example of a seabird. These albatrosses are mainly located in the Southern Ocean and are highly adapted to sea life. Thus, they spend the majority of their life flying over the ocean. They go after fish, squid, and other marine prey that are available, and they usually follow ships or eat on carrion. The flight speed of these birds varies from one situation to another, such as the wind conditions and whether they are foraging or on a way to the destination, but these birds are well known for their efficient gliding. The average cruising speed of the albatross is about 25 to 50 miles per hour, but with dynamic soaring they can even reach higher speeds. In this case, they can actually be over 70 miles per hour. The next animal is the Redbreasted Merganser. The Redbreasted Merganser is a diving duck that belongs to the species of the birds native to North America, Europe, and Asia. Mergansers of the red-breasted type are usually found in coastal marine habitats, such as bays and shallow coastal waters. These ducks are excellent divers and mostly feed on fish, but they can also eat crustaceans. They are on the list of the fastest flying ducks, with their speed being as high as 81 miles per hour. In order to be airborne, they have to get a running start, but since their legs are close to their back, it makes it hard for them to walk on land, but they swim to get their momentum. The next animal is the Spur-winged goose. The Spur-winged goose is a species of big goose, which is originally from sub-Saharan Africa. The spur-winged geese are usually found in different types of wetland habitats in sub-Saharan Africa. These geese are the kind of birds that don't travel far, unlike the other species of waterfowl that go on long migratory journeys. On the other hand, they might migrate in different directions due to the fluctuations in water levels or the scarcity of food. The spur-winged geese are herbivores, and they mainly feed on the aquatic plants, grasses, and agricultural crops. It has a maximum recorded speed of 88 miles per hour. The next animal is the frigate birds, are a family of seabirds that are distinguished by their unique silhouette and their remarkable flying capabilities. Frigate birds are a species that can be found in the tropical and subtropical oceans all over the world. They are accustomed to gliding for long distances without flapping their wings, by using thermals and updrafts to stay aloft for a long time. The frigate birds are the birds of air that feed mainly on fish and squid. Frigate birds are the most swift flyers among all the birds. Although the speed of the albatross varies depending on the weather conditions and the reason of their flight, they are generally known to reach up to 95 miles per hour. This speed is indeed remarkable given their large size and their power to cover enormous distances over the high seas. The next animal is the Eurasian Hobby. The Eurasian Hobby is a little bird of prey. The Eurasian Hobbies are migratory species which are spread over Europe, Asia, and Africa. Hobbies are flexible, agile, and acrobatic flyers, and they specialize in catching small birds, insects, and occasionally bats that are flying. They are mostly just flying low and fast over open areas and using their sharp talons to catch the prey in midair. Eurasian hobbies are long-distance migrants. They fly between their breeding and wintering grounds for thousands of kilometers. Eurasian hobbies are famous for their unparalleled speed and nimbleness in their flight. They can go up to 99 miles per hour when it snatches small birds and dragonflies out of the air. The next animal is the white-throated needletail. The white-throated needletail is a bird that is located mainly in Asia and also in certain parts of Australia. They are also called the woodlanders and forest dwellers since they love to stay in the forests and wooded areas. They are proficient in air hunting and catching insects while being in the air. They mostly feed at high altitudes, hence the high number of insects they catch. These swift and swiftly flying birds are famous for their amazing speed and air abilities. Needletails are difficult to catch because they fly extremely fast, even up to 105 miles an hour in level flight. They have a similar body shape and long, narrow wings which in turn are responsible for their swiftness and agility. The next animal is the golden eagle. The golden eagle is among the most splendid and symbolic birds of prey that the Northern Hemisphere possesses. The golden eagles are present everywhere in the Northern Hemisphere. Golden eagles are the apex predators of the food chain, and they usually target small to medium-sized mammals like rabbits, hares, ground squirrels, and marmots. The golden eagles usually hunt by flying in the air, then use their sharp vision to find the prey that is below. Following that, they dive down and grab their food. They are well known for the high-speed dives, which are called the stoops, and they use this as a way to catch their prey. These dives are also the places where they can go up to 150 miles per hour or even more speeds. The last animal is the Paragan Falcon. The Paragan Falcon is one of the most numerous and globally distributed birds of prey and is very famous for its amazing speed and agility. The Peregrine falcons are very flexible and can be found in many different habitats all around the globe. The top food for peregrine falcons are birds, and these birds are pigeons, doves, and ducks. The peregrine falcons are famous for their extremely fast dives, which are also named shallow stoops or dives. As a result of these dives, they can do the amazing fast rates of speed. The usual falling speed of nearly 240 miles per hour. On the other hand, they have been observed diving at speeds higher than 240 miles per hour, while some of the estimates say that they can reach up to 250 miles per hour. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed our high-flying adventure through the realm of fast birds. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found yourself amazed by these feathered speedsters, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling avian escapades.